Hi, chat. Welcome to another stream. How y'all doing today? It is Thursday. It is April 1st. Marsha is here. Hello, hello. It's good to see you. And we're back for another stream. The plan is to work some more on my Pokemon shiny hunting Switch automation stuff. So we'll be taking a look at that today. I actually did a little bit of work on it offline, so I have some cool stuff to show you. But let me pour myself a burr, and we can get started. Polymathic Man, thank you for the resub. Let me read the message after. I don't know. I feel like it's supposed to show on the overlay, but maybe I forgot to do that. But let me see. How many months has Polymathic Man been here for? Oh, I don't even have Streamlabs open. What am I doing? What am I doing? 8 months. Whoa. That's a real long time, Polymathic Man. Thank you for your continued support. It's good to see you. Hopefully you're doing well. Let me say hi to everyone. And we'll jump into this scene, I guess. Yeah, it was... This is a different thing. Path shenanigans. The fuck? Oh yeah, here we go. So, I'll show you this code in a bit. But anyway, let me say hi to everyone who's here. Oh, I guess I should show what beer I am drinking. I am drinking La Fin du Monde. Seems appropriate. But let me say hi to everyone. Marsha was first today. JB Pratt was very close. D-Dels, good to see you. Polymathic Man, welcome back. The Endless River, how's it going? Marsma says hi, just stopping by to say hi, Anthony. It's 2:30 a.m. and I have to go to sleep. Oh, well, thank you for stopping by, Marsma. Appreciate it. Featuring Tofu today, please. Tofu's here. He was, I just took her outside. She was sitting by my feet for like hours and hours the other day. But she has not, I don't know, she's in the other room right now. Maybe she's actually eating her food, which would be surprising, because she's just decided that she doesn't want to eat for whatever reason. But yeah. Hey, what's up, Plum? Welcome to the stream. Hello. Bitchin', how's it going? Yo, what we drinking? We're drinking some beer. Boom says, I have a Python question. Since when file.read splits the lines of a text file automatically, expect one lengthy string. So file.read will not do that. Iterating over a file will. Do I have a file? I guess we can just do foo bar baz. So if you do with open t as f and then contents equals f.read, you will get one long string here. So you'll see this content string has new lines in it. It's a bunch of different lines. But only if you iterate it over it. For line in f print line. Fuck. I typed the file name. Of course. So in that case, we'll actually get double lines here because this has a new line at the end of it. So that's why there's extra blank lines here. But yeah, you should still have these new line characters in there. Now note, if you print contents, you'll still see it has multiple lines because the \n is a new line. But you should never get a list. If you're getting a list, something's real weird. Unless you're using read lines, and then read lines would do that, but if you're just using read, it won't do that. Sitting by your feet, huh? Yeah, Tofu really likes feet. You and Tofu would get along, Marsha. Tofu really likes feet. Tofu growing bored of you already? This is like the first time since she came here that she hasn't just followed me from room to room. It's fucking adorable. I'll go to the kitchen, Tofu will trot along to see what I'm doing in the kitchen. I'll go to my work desk, Tofu will trot along to my work desk, see what I'm doing. I'll go down to the grocery store, Tofu follow me right to the door, I want to go with you. Sorry, I can't go to the grocery store, Tofu. And then when I go in here to like watch YouTube or whatever, she comes in, sits under the desk. I have a video, I don't think I can show you. Because it's on my phone. Never mind. Tofu looking, waiting for snack scraps? Yeah, that's the thing. I'm pretty sure Juice feeds Tofu table scraps, which is why she's always begging for food. The fucked up thing, though, is she won't eat her damn food. She'll eat, like, sticks and pine cone shreds and little seeds, but she won't eat her own fucking food. I don't understand. Crazy puppy. Human food grade? It's not even human food. It's like fucking tree shit. Like, oh, yummy pine cone. Real good snack right there. No, it's like not food. I don't know. Tofu's weird. Okay, but I want to show you what I did offline. It actually requires a little bit of setup, so let me boot up my Switch and show you. Hold on, I'm gonna play on the not tiny screen because this is hard to see. Oh yes, because I was doing this here. Where is a? There's one right here. This'll do. This'll do. Okay, so we look next to this. So I perfected my date switcher thing that was not working so well before. So let me show you the improved version. I was just running in a loop to, one, get the in-game currency, but two, make sure that the timing was good. So I gotta get here, then I'm gonna go to... I gotta turn off the automatic date stuff first, so let's do that first. Date and time, sync from the internet, no, it is April 1st, so we gotta remember that. Home, and controllers. Oh, I guess we can do it all in one menuing. Yeah, let's do it all in one menuing, perfect. Yes, oh, that's gonna cause it to glitch out, so before we start it, I have to press B and then A. Okay, but now I'm gonna plug in my microcontroller. My little, see it lit up down here. Oh, I don't see both of them on the screen. Oh well. There's the other part of the microchip. So anyway, logged in here. Now we can go back to this screen. Switch microcontroller, Python-M, press B. So we're gonna press B to log out of that screen just because I know it's going to do the stupid network error. Excuse me. There we go. Okay, and then date cycle. How does this script work? Date is 2021-04-01, January, February, March, April. Yeah. Okay, so now this should just continually reset the date over and over and over. And I fixed the timing on it, so also it prints out the buttons that it presses as well, so that's helpful as well. But yeah, I fixed the timing. Basically, you can see what I did here. Instead of pressing S, I was originally pressing S 14 times there. But now I'm holding down S for 1.2 seconds, which makes it much more consistent. Way more consistent. But yeah, this will just reset. Oh, fuck. No, it's screwed up. Oh, God. Stop it. Well, that didn't work. Wait, why is it broken? Somebody clip it. Somebody clip it and send it to me. What broke? Shit. It was so consistent. I ran it for literally 4 hours and it didn't fuck up. Ah, that's really annoying. Hi, Tofu. What are you sniffing around for? Okay, but we gotta see what date it is anyway to reset it. Oh, it's still 4-1. Does that say on? Did I not change this? What does that say? Oh. Well, that's why it's fucked up. You watched me do this, chat! What? Oh, you know what? It's probably because I pressed B here instead of pressing H? Oh, well, that was almost scary because this is my shiny box, so I wouldn't have wanted to do that. S and A and A. All right, let's try this again. Let's try this again. So we do this, and now let's try this again. Date cycle should be on this part. Is this the place that I started? I think so. and you can see a little tofu. Come here, tofu. You're gonna be a little camera whore. You're gonna be a little cam whore. See, she came back. She came back. We got the little tofu. I missed it. Did it work? Yeah, we'll find out in a few seconds. It takes 15 seconds to cycle. Okay, yeah, it totally worked. Oh, and then I'll look at the broken clip. But yeah, now it cycles a little bit more consistently, which is much nicer. What do you think, Tofu? So the real funny thing is yesterday I was watching, I think it was Cody's Lab, and I had Tofu. Tofu was like sitting around, so I got Tofu up on my lap, and she was like really interested in Cody's Lab and was like barking at Cody's cat and like, oh, it's so cute. It was so cute. You're such a little cutie, Tofu. You're such a little cutie. Okay, you can go down. Yeah, you're the cutie. But let me say, oh man, I'm so far behind on chat. Ah! Oh god. Cody soon. Hello, hello. Read lines gives a list. Yes, that's true. Tofu waiting for. Oh, I already read that. Pseudo eats sticks, keeps his teeth clean at least. I guess that's true. Need to let Pseudo out. Be back in a minute. Sounds good. Details. April Fools. Yeah, it is April Fools. Hey, what's up, Quantum Bolt? Hello, hello. This is damn cool. Not gonna lie. Yeah, this is pretty cool. But yeah, I kind of did this for two purposes. So if you look in the top right, you'll notice that I'm slowly getting more and more of the in-game currency. And the in-game currency is useful for a thing that we're going to try and do today, which is going to be resetting for a particular shiny. What the fuck are you doing? What are you doing, Tofu? You got the crazy guys. You got the crazy guys right now. Biting my chair for some reason. Oh yeah, I missed it now. Well, anyway, I'm getting more in-game currency by doing this. No, you can't bite the plushies. No, you can't bite the plushies, Tofu. That's not okay. Should be one of the plushies. Shouldn't wrestle the plushie though, so that's fine. Geos cannot code. Thank you for the follow. Welcome to the stream. I feel like you've been here before. Someone that has a name very similar. If you're new, welcome. If you're coming back, welcome back. It's good to see you. Swills, how's it going? You need some OpenCV? Yeah, I do need to. I do need to do some. I do need to do some like actual pixel watching. This one is entirely hands-free. Like, doesn't require any automation for this because it's just the same set of buttons over and over. But yeah, it would be cool to OpenCV. Do it that way. Let's look at this clip, see what went wrong. I think it was because I didn't have the date thing set properly. I wish I could make it slightly bigger than this. I guess I can make it big and you guys just won't be able to see it. Oh. Oh yeah, it's because it wasn't synced. Oh fuck, I changed my time zone on accident to that with that. Oh well, fine. I can just change my time zone back. Okay, but yeah, that's why it was broken. Because I had auto date sync on. But you can see now it's looping through, it's going well. Nixative! Hello, hello, good to see you. Pseudo got his outdoor time, took care of the potty, only allowed one ball throw because he's special. That's funny. What is it? No give, only fetch? Or the dog and the ball meme? Oh, it's one of my favorites. Somehow I still don't know the actual text for it. It's actually really hot in my house. Do you think it's hot in my house, Tofu? What do you think? Oh man, Tofu really does not like when I'm on meetings and I have to talk. Tofu will come over, stare up at me and bark. Bark. Right? Why are you talking on the meetings, Anthony? Pay attention to me instead. But she'll, like... The funny thing is, like, she'll immediately go to sleep right after the meeting. So she's, like, just bothering me for that. Need Tofu cam? Yeah, I could maybe take my keyboard cam and get Tofu on it. The thing is, she doesn't sit in one place. She moves around a lot. So I don't know how well that would work. But maybe I could do that. Maybe I could do that. Okay, but anyway, that's enough of this. I want to try and automate two different things today. One is fossil conversion. One is fossil conversion. The other is Reggie resetting. Although that's gonna be really tricky. Need a full house cam for tofu? Yeah, I don't want you to know that much about my house. Okay. Let's stop this. Let's reset it. I'm just gonna put the date back to what it's supposed to be. Let me put it on this so I can actually see. Not turning it off. Nope. All the way down to the bottom. Well, almost to the bottom. A. Okay, so I fucked up the time zone here. I am not in Tijuana. I am in Los Angeles, I guess? I guess they're the same time zone, so it doesn't really matter. W, A, okay. And then home should save that. Okay, then we're back into the game. I don't know why I did that all manually, because I have to unplug this anyway to get to the spot where we're going to be resetting for fossils. So that is the first one we're gonna do. I think it's gonna be easier today. Tofu greater than keyboard? Tofu, do you want to come sit in a spot and I could maybe put you on keyboard cam? Do you want to try that for me, Tofu? Tofu, come here, come here, come here, Tofu. No. She wants to sit over there, so, oh well. Hey, what's up, UK Luke? Hello, hello. Need a wireless GoPro harness for Tofu Cam. Yeah. Full room? There's a lot of stuff in my room that I don't really want to show you. So that's totally not gonna happen. Okay. But yeah, let me get to the spot in the game where I want to do this. Oh, and just to show you how much currency we got, I go over here. These dudes. I can't see the number. Yeah, we got 26,000 of this currency, and every one of these takes 500, and you can get good stuff here. Your kink is your kink. Is Socks over his room, yeah. But yeah, gets us a lot of currency there. But I don't remember where the fossil person is. I want to say it's right here. No, I think it's up here. Maybe it's up here. Here? Here it is. Fossil restoration. There we go. There we go. Okay, so the idea behind this, actually save and then run one set of them. I think it's not that lady. I think it's, yeah, it's this lady up here. Who, like, has, like, a weird back problem, I guess. So let me save first. This is not automated at this point. I'm doing this by hand. So what we're going to be doing is... And actually, maybe I should take notes at the same time. Notes. Babby notes. Okay, so A. Wait for, I don't know, 1 second. And then A. And then wait for another second. Or something like that. Okay, so there are two types or 4 types of fossils. I have put them on screen here. So there is Drake plus bird gets Dracozolt. Dino plus fish gives Arctofish. These are the crossover ones. These are the sword ones, and these are the shield ones. So I'm playing shield. So I'm gonna try and get this one first. Drake plus bird, I think. Hey, what's up, No Booty? Hello, hello. Good to see you. So I'm gonna try and get Drake plus bird first. Which I think is easy. So, this is where bird is first and fish is second. Okay, so it wants me to do Drake of Vish first, so we don't want to do that. S, and then A. And this is where Drake is first and Dino is second. Okay, so I'm gonna press down and then A. And then I will tune all of these like 1 seconds to see where things are at. Hey, what's up, Ergo? Hello, hello. And Grandpa's iPad. Good to see you. Catherine. Hello, hello. G. Francis, have a nice stream. Good night, friends. Well, thank you for stopping by. Okay, and then we gotta say yes. A. And we'll tune all of these times. A. Wait for 1. We're just gonna put sleep 1s in the beginning. 1, 2, 3. 3A presses. And then long pause, and then A press. And let's see, I don't know what the shiny for this looks like. What is this one supposed to be? Dracozolt. Dracozolt. Okay, so this is what the normal... Wait. I did not get Dracozolt. What the fuck did I get? Did I do this wrong? I got Arctozolt. Wait, what? I did bird and dino. Dino bird. Oh. I did exactly the one I didn't want to do. I want to do Drake plus bird. Fuck. Oh well. We're not going to be pressing A. My bad. Nobody says you're making a shiny Pokemon Hunter Big Pog. Yes, I mean, kind of. Fixer Jake, how's it going? New month, new Pokemon? I mean, kind of. Snip Kitty, Happy Kitty, purr, says the unscripted. I see. Okay, so we don't want to do this. So we want to do Bird Drake. Bird Drake. Oh, I'm just dumb. I didn't read my notes. What am I fucking doing? Okay. Put this one back. Oh my god, it's so hot in my room. Okay. And that's the cycle. Okay, so this is the cycle here. I think. Maybe one more A press. We're gonna try and program this. And get that working. But yeah, when we want to check this, we're gonna go to Pokedex. I'm actually going to, well, we can burn one. I'm gonna save at the point where are they? Fossils are in here somewhere. I think they're towards the end. I'm gonna save where, yeah, here we go. So I don't have the shiny sprites, so you can see it doesn't allow me to pan over. But for Charizard, I do have the shiny sprite? No, I don't. Do I have the shiny sprite? Oh, I only have the shiny sprite for this one. Because I got it at, I think I got it hacked in a trade. There's one that I know I have both. Right, this is Walius? No. Dragon. Here we go. So you can see, you can scroll between the shiny and the non-shiny sprite, so that's how I'm going to check whether I got a shiny or not, is by scrolling between the two. So I want to put it back on, what was the one we were doing? Draco's bird. Plus Dracozolt. Okay, so this is one we're gonna try and do first. Hey, what's up, Pylang? Hello, hello. Good to see you. Okay, so I'm gonna save here, even though we burned one. Oh, I don't have enough spaces in my boxes. This is gonna be a problem. Pokemon does use metric depending on the region, Pyling. I happen to be in the Americas, so it does not use metric here. What am I doing? Going to the box. So I'm gonna release just this one Pokemon because it was not shiny. Goodbye, Arctozolts. Okay, so I'm gonna take these boxes and move them into bank, or move them into home, just for now. I do have Pokemon Home, yeah, so that's what I'm gonna do real quick. We actually automated some stuff in Pokemon Home a couple streams ago to mass release Pokemon. I'm not gonna run that script now though, because I don't quite remember which box it is. But we're gonna free up, I don't know, probably 4 or 5 boxes, because I don't think I have enough fossils to do more than 100. I think I have like 70-ish fossils of each type. I have like 300 of the common ones and like 70 of the rare ones. I'm hoping to get to 100, that way like it's a nice even round number for resetting. But we can just throw junk here. Let's just grab a few boxes. One. Oh god. Controls are so... Oh god, the controls are so bad. Okay, there we go. Ugh. I hate that the controls for home are slightly different than the controls for the in-game box. And the in-game box, the controls have changed like every generation. It's just so fucking annoying. Okay, we're gonna clean up 5 boxes just for good measure. And that'll just give us enough spaces to accept all the Pokemon. These are all just Wonder Trade garbage. Mostly so I could win the lottery. Yeah. That should be good. Hey, what's up, Pixma? Hello, hello. Do you need more fossils? I might have a bunch I can trade over. I have plenty of fossils. Also, I just showed off a script earlier where I can basically get infinite fossils because I can just use the date spam trick to get infinite watts, and then I can convert the watts into the fossils. Oh shit, I didn't want to do that. Okay. Okay, back to here. Oh wait, did I not save? Oh well, who cares? I didn't lose anything. But thanks for the offer, No Booty. Appreciate that. Pixma says I'm the only German here. There might be a German here. There might be a German or two. What's a Pixma? Pixma balls. Alright, Michaela. Alright. We will also have to do a soft reset in here as well. So this script will be somewhat interactive. Maybe we'll make a cool little UI for this. I know some German. Do you have a little German in you? Okay, so let's move to this box, which is empty. This is my shiny box, by the way. You guys want to see some shinies that I got recently? These are just the ones I've gotten in the last, like, I don't know, 3 or 4 weeks. So, Banthump, Ponyta. This is one of the ones I was going for. Spritzy. Morpeko. Oh man, Morpeko was such a pain. Sudowoodo. Gourgeist. Phalanx. Oh, this was such a pain. Phalanx was such a pain. Vaporeon. Look at Vaporeon. Nice little purple boy. Or is it a Grail? No, it's a boy. Berserker. Vikavolt, which is ballin'. This is such a good shiny Pokemon. Stoutland. Look at that doggo. Dubwool, which is a little bit weird. A black sheep. Pincurchin. Oh my god, Pincurchin was Actually the worst. Oh, my phone is going off because somebody is messaging me on the Discord. Wait, I have a text message. Oh. Oh, it's Marsh. My dad texted me, "What do you use for antivirus on Windows?" Should I just tell him lol no? Indeedy, Lilligant. Actually, we have 2 Lilligants. Spoilers. I went and got another one. Oh wait, this one's not shiny. What the fuck are you doing here? Escavalier. You don't belong in the shiny box. Get the fuck out of here, bud. Alright, right. All these boxes are full. Fuck out of here! You're not shiny. I wish you were. Man, I don't have a shiny Escavalier. But yeah, here's the Lilligant. One of these we got on stream. And then Wheezing, this was a pain in the ass. And then Toxtricity. This one was a pain in the ass too. Lilligant, give me flashbacks, right? Are you drunk? I mean, I have a beer. I'm not really drunk. Maybe a little bit buzzed. But not drunk. Okay, so we will be on box 3. Toxtricity, give me those bonk eyes. Yeah. Hey, what's up, J Phils? Hello. Good to see you. Oh my god, so much chat that I missed. Are we winning? Yes. You got a gifted sub from a rando on the server? That's great. Vaporeon ass face. What? Oh, hi, phone. Yeah. I have my phone on loud because I'm on a vaccine waitlist, and it has like a 15-minute SLA, which is absurd. I've never I've been on call before, but never at like a 15-minute SLA. But yeah, I have my phone at absurd volume to get a text message. But yeah, Lilligant, give me flashbacks. It's true. Swill6 says, Pokemon's still so lost to me. I'm so old. It's all good. Don't worry about it. It's just a game. It's just a game that I can automate with code, which is really cool. You're getting a bit belligerent? Yeah, it happens. J. Phil says, how goes it, sir? How many shinies do we have now? Let me open up the spreadsheet and we can take a look. Sheets.google.com. I got a shiny Pokemon and Best Girl are the most recent spreadsheets. So, I have 99.32% of the obtainable shiny Pokemon at the moment. I have 6 more to do in Galar. 4 of them are the fossils that we are trying to automate right now. 2 of them are Regis, which we may automate later. And if we sum this column, fuck me. How can I do this? How can I select this entire column without the top? Oh, it still does a sum. Okay, sum. So I have 1,082 shiny Pokemon, which is fucking absurd. Now that I think about it. Oh my god. I've spent so much of my life doing this stupid shit. My son visited. I've got an action replay thing so we can PK hacks and hacks Pokemon. I see. Well, I don't hack anything. I do everything legitimately. I say as I write a automated controller. I don't know. I feel like automated controller and using PK hacks is a little bit different, but I understand. PK hacks is kind of cool. I remember when they first reverse engineered PK hacks. It was kind of cool. I messaged you on Discord and didn't even go like, "Oh, neat." I think I acknowledged that you messaged me on Discord. You sent me like a Ludi Vaporeon. What's up with that? I love that you refer to it as an SLA. What? Is it not? You going to drive to the vaccine and they call it? Hell yeah. I don't even have a car and I'm gonna drive. I'm gonna fucking shoot me up, please, right now. Automating things with hardware is cool. Yeah, 100%. And like, I don't know. I've never done a hardware. Well, that's not true because I did one other hardware project. I haven't done a hardware project where I've written a lot of C code. I reverse engineered some assembly. Let's see. Can I show you guys a photo of that? For those of you that have not been to the stream in a while. Oh, we'll go to the Ferkberg and get my photos of the... Oh god, Facebook has completely changed. I have not been on Facebook in a really long time. But I do know that I have photos there. Albums. Where's the iClicker album? There we go. Here we go. Yes, so... if you don't know about an iClicker, it's basically a attendance/quiz device. It has 5 buttons on the front, A through E. I guess it has 6 buttons because there's an on-off button. And you can use it to submit quiz questions, and some people use it for attendance or whatever. But I noticed when I cracked it open that they had 6 programming pins exposed. And I wanted to see what was on there. So I bought an AVR programmer, assembled it and soldered it. So this is an AVR programmer. I didn't know what I was doing. So this was mostly just like research and try stuff. And I got extremely lucky with all of this. I got extremely lucky that everything just kind of worked. Like the EEPROM was unlocked, the flash was unlocked, and I assembled an AVR programmer and soldered for the first time and was successful in doing so. All of this stuff, like all of the stars aligned here. But basically what I did, you can kind of see the memory dump over here. I was able to memory dump this, grab the code, reverse engineer what it was doing, optimize the code so that I can insert my own chunk of code, because the flash chip or EEPROM? Must have been the code would have been on EEPROM. Yeah, no, I don't know. Wherever the code is, I'm not remembering properly at the moment. Wherever the code is, figured out what it was doing, optimized it because it was right size, because it was like, you know, there were like 3 bytes at the end that I could write code to, and like you can't really do much with 3 bytes. So I had to optimize the existing code so that I could inject my own code. Hey, what's up, Program Play and Chill? Thank you for the follow. Welcome to the stream. But I injected code that cycled through a set of random IDs and voted for C 255 times. So if I wanted to fuck with a professor, I would just like press my special button combination and haha, I just voted 255 times for C. The other thing that I learned is the teacher clicker and the student clicker, they're basically the same. The only difference between the two is the teacher clicker is blue plastic and the student clicker is white plastic. Everything else is exactly the same. So through some, I want to say that I was sneaky and subtle about this, but there's no way. Through some social engineering, I would, basically walk up to the podium and be like, "Oh, this is an interesting device you have here. What does this do? Oh yeah, that's the teacher clicker. Oh, really?" And then memorize the hex digits off the back of it, because they put the serial number on it. Also, there were 8. The serial numbers were 8 digits, but the last 2 were a checksum, so you only need to memorize the first 6. So memorize the checksum of the memorize the serial number on their clicker, and then I could flash that serial number to my clicker, and then suddenly I'm the teacher. And so I use this to just like completely fuck with teachers and like open their polls in the middle of them, like just give everyone the quiz answer. Oh man, it was real good. And then my friend blogged about it and got suspended for 3 semesters because the dean didn't know anything about computers and thought he was hacking and changing people's grades and shit. So them's the breaks, I guess. I haven't talked to them in a while. Should see what they're up to. But anyway, yeah, this is my last hardware project, so I haven't done a hardware project in a while, so that was part of my motivation. But anyway, this is a long-winded story. Pari, hello, good to see you. How's the Stripe life? It's going. I totally just clipped it to spine it, but I like that the running spreadsheet hasn't been touched in 3 months. So, oh yeah, the running spreadsheet. Yeah, so the reason that I haven't touched the spreadsheet is every day has been a normal day. And I only touch the spreadsheet if I do a non-normal day. So if we go to running, you'll see that the last time I entered stuff was 314. And you'll see 314 was a non-normal day where I did 23. A normal day, I always do 20 miles per day. Excuse me, sorry. But yeah, I can fill all of these in with 20. So yeah, that's why that's not filled out. Oh no, Tofu's coming to check on me because I made a funny noise. Oh, God, the hiccups. Detail says, when I took electronics as a senior in high school, before I really understood programming, my electronics teacher allowed us to use calculator programs to do equivalent resistor calculations as long as we wrote the program to do the calculation. If you write the program, you know how to do the calculation. Probably the reason why I got a program. That's cool. The Nova Glow says, dang, I forgot about those clickers. Yeah, eye clickers. Fucking. That's such a cool project. I fucking love that project. Microcontrollers often have SPI built in. I don't know enough to know what SPI is. Swills, can you tell me what up? Tell me what that is. Program Play and Chill says hello. How's it going? It's going well. Memorizing hex. Yeah, exactly. Hacker Man. Yeah, this was the Hacker Man, the real Hacker Man. The real Hacker Man. You developed this and he got suspended. We worked on it together. He had a much steadier hand than I did, so he was much like I did about half of the soldering. He did the better half of the soldering. Because I don't know. I get a little bit of shaking hands. I'm actually much better at soldering than I was back then. I think I don't know. It was probably some combination of like my meds that I was taking and like I don't know. I don't know. We can be presumptuous about the causes and effects, but I think I've chilled down a little bit since then. Yeah, he got suspended. The funny thing is, I did some research after the fact, and apparently some other like PhD did a project on almost exactly what I did, and like got like a $30,000 grant to just like work on this reverse engineering that device, and like $30,000 or suspended from university. Hey, what's up, Void Rose? Hello, hello. It's good to see you again. I feel like it's been a while. How you doing? Okay, my room is extremely hot. I'm actually gonna open a window and turn on a fan in the other room. So I'm gonna go do that. I will be right back, and I guess I'll fill up my beer as well. Fuck it, why not? I'll see you in a sec. Tofu's got the zoomies right now. I walked out and I was like, "Where'd Tofu go? Where are you, Tofu?" And she was hiding under the bed in the other room, which I thought I had lost Tofu, Chat. I thought I had lost Tofu. Oh God, stop it, phone. Oh, you can hear the road. Let me turn on ye old RTX voice. Oh, it's already on. Guess I just need to activate it. Okay. Now my voice will sound a little bit weird. Anyway, I got another beer. Banana bread beer from the one we were drinking last time. Are you dog sitting? Yes, I am dog sitting Tofu, who is Juicebox Hero's Paparu. So yeah, I'm taking care of the little Tofu. She's been good so far. Hasn't really gotten into anything. She won't eat her food for some reason, but I don't know. I hear that's kind of normal for Tofu. But it's going well. It is going well. Move this junk out of the way. Okay, what was I doing? Yeah, Juices in Tahoe. That is true. Okay, so I think what we're doing, I think we're ready to start automating stuff. One snow, two and snow. Thank you. Oh, two and snow. Oh, I get it. Like to and fro, but like two and snow. Thank you for the follow. Welcome to the stream. Hopefully you're doing well. We can close off this. And this is our little notes. Hopefully that's right, but we will be tuning these numbers. I assume that we'll be able to get them down to a pretty good... These, like, all these 1 second waits here are probably too long, but we will adjust them as we go. Okay, revive fossils dot fine. If name equals main, exit main. And actually, we're gonna make a UI for this at some point, but for now we're just gonna do a crappy terminal script because it's gonna be easy. Import odd parse. Argument parser. And arguments. Fossil choices. And what are our three choices? Drake Zold. We are only going to implement one of them today, probably. Because... Arctizolt. And Dracovish. We gotta say required equals true. And then function dot add the argument. Serial default equals that DTY USB 0. And then we gotta take the we're gonna save the notes. Don't forget to save the notes. Man. Love you guys, chat. You're so good. Alexa, good to see you. Hello, hello. Welcome back. Argument break a point. Indeed, indeed. We're going to copy and paste a function from this file. The press function. Because I feel like I have like 3 versions of this function right now. I'm probably going to make a library-ish out of this at some point. I don't know. I don't know. Okay, so we need to do with serial.serial args.serial 9600. Yes, sir. Oh, we also want the number of fossils as well. Parser, and argument. Count type equals int, default equals 1. Args.count. Okay, so this is where we actually implement the code. The other server says, when does it make sense to use typing.literal? A few cases. Most of them are when you're using an overload. Actually, didn't I do a video on this? Explained literal. Yes. So I go over a few use cases in that first video, but almost always for me, the use cases for making an overload. So like one example is subprocess. Import subprocess. So you, subprocess dot check output. And if we do echo high, so with no arguments, this returns bytes. If I do text equals true, you'll see it returns a string. So what you would type this as is def check output. What iterable stir command, iterable stir and text literal true. And this returns stir. So you can imagine, I mean, ignore the errors here. This would be one overload. And then the default overload would be, text bool equals false returns bytes. So that way the type checker could know in these particular cases, based on the value of this parameter passed in, what the type should be expected at the end. It's a little bit... Oh, I almost spilled my beer. That would have been bad. It's a little bit niche. You're not going to use it very often, but it can be useful for that. The other thing that you can use it for, and I do this in Pre-Commit CI, I think, is it in the runner? Or is it in the web? It is in the runner. So, the Pre-Commit CI, I use it for a like typing time enum. So instead of making a real enum and then converting it back and forth between the enum class and the strings, I just make a literal typing here. So you can see status state. This is the choices of the possible strings that it could be, and I would get a type error if any of these were wrong. So if you look at runner handler, what is it called? Runner worker. Excuse me. Status. Yeah, okay, so we have this pending state here, which is a string. If I were to typo this, such as pending 2, MyPy should tell me that that's a problem. Yeah, so you can see here, argument 1 to status has incompatible type literal pending 2, expected literal error, literal failure, literal pending, literal success. And so you can kind of leverage it as a extremely lightweight enumeration, which I really like. I really, really like this because it basically means that you can have constants that are checked. It makes sure that your string literals aren't typos. But I really like that use of it. Because what you used to do is you would make an enumeration class such that it's a type error on an attribute access and like convert between the enumeration and the string, and it's a lot of work, I guess. That Pre-Commit CI thing was what I was initially thinking of. Is the union of 2 len1 literals the same as 1 len2 literal? Oh, okay. So, yeah. So there is a shortcut here. Literal foo bar is the same as union literal foo literal bar. But of course, this is a lot of typing, so this is easier to write. So that's why they added that shortcut here. But yeah, there isn't, as much as I feel like there should be, there isn't actually a way to represent a literal of a tuple of things. Because these are those parentheses mean nothing. They're literally the same syntax. Literally. Fuck. But yeah, there's no way to denote a literal tuple because of the way that typing is defined, as far as I understand. If Ethan's here, is Ethan in chat? Sometimes in chat. No, not here today. He works on MyPy, so he would know better than I do. But as far as I know, there isn't a way to represent that. Alright, what patch are you? This is an old ass patch. Goodbye. Okay. So let's write the code for this. Alright, so we need to call presser A. And then we're gonna tune all these sleeps. So let's just put this for now. Presser A. Time to sleep 1. Press. Oh god, this one is literally just press A bunch of times. Honestly, for this one, maybe we just press A a bunch. But we need to know the timing. I don't really care about it being optimal. I mean, I do care about it being optimal, but yeah, because I'm looking at this. It's literally just A presses. I wonder. That's a good point. I wonder if we can. Fuck. That's the wrong. Okay. I wonder if we can. Okay, so bird is first and fish is second. And Drake is first and Dino is second. So just don't act haughty. What if... Leave me alone. I wonder if I reorder these. Oh, do you guys remember what they were? I already forgot. I should have written them down. Shit. I have them down. I have written them down. Bird is first, fish is second, Drake is first, Dino is second. If I switch the order in the bag, does that change the menuing? Because that would be dope. Bird is first, fish is second, Drake is first, Dino is second. Okay, so if I... How do I reorder things? Is there literally no reorder in this? There's no reorder in this. Oh, I know how to cheese it, though. We can star this, and then we can sort based on favorites first. Okay, so that'll put Dino earlier than Drake. Does this put Dino earlier than Drake in the menu? No. Okay, so it doesn't matter. It was worth a try. It was worth a try. Rate script to reorder. Yeah, honestly, I've thought about doing that. Oh, that was the wrong button. Okay, but that doesn't do anything. So reordering doesn't matter. Let's actually favorite all 4 of them and put them over the top. Well, actually, we should unfavorite, resort, and then unfavorite, sort by type, and then favorite all 4. Why? Sort favorites first, okay, and then I have to resave again. Save. Okay. Aren't the choices in ArcParse kind of similar? Yeah, in a way. I have like this really complicated project idea to make an ArcParse plugin for MyPy. I know that a lot of people would benefit from it, but it just sounds like so much work. And it would be another fucking thing that I have to maintain. Cool. It would be really cool. But it'd be a lot of work to maintain. Wait, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of these. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And 3 A presses. 30 A presses. I'm pretty sure I need sleeps in here. gonna put this here. And then a long pause. And then this. And then time dot sleep. I don't know. Okay, we're gonna do one run of this. System exit. 0. Well, we don't need a parameter there. I'm gonna put an assert here. Assert args dot choices equals, what was the one we're doing? Drakazult. Drakazult. Oh, choices. Args dot fossil. Not yet implemented. Because we're just gonna do Drakazult for now. Make it to sell frequency. Yeah, I should really be working on frequency. That is a good reminder. But instead I'm playing fucking Pokemon and scripting it because why not? Alright. Got to import time. Cool. Alright. Let's try this. Drakazult count equals 1. And let's see how it goes. Right, I don't have my controller plugged in. Alright, let's plug in the controller. God damn it. Like, why isn't it working? That's weird. So the really weird thing is, I tried to use this on my laptop, and for some reason my laptop will not send anything to serial ports. I don't know what's up. Like, I assume it's a bug in VirtualBox, but I actually don't really know. Didn't mean to make you think of worky stuff. No, Frequency Eye is fun for me. It's just, I don't know, it's something that I feel like I need to invest more time in, and I don't feel like I have enough time to invest in. I wish I wasn't employed, basically. Okay, let's look at this. God, we have to wait more than a second. Fuck. So that was the first one was fine. The second one was not fine. Oh, this is gonna be so hard to watch for you. Press A. Watch this one be shiny though. Oh, this is gonna be so hard to tune. Maybe I should comment out the code and like... Yeah, I think we're gonna do it that way. I'm gonna comment out each of these until we get them right. And do it that way. That way we optimize it. Kali says your YouTube videos are amazing. Well, I'm glad you like them. Welcome to the stream, Kali. Good to have you. Yeah, this content's a little bit different than my YouTube content, but it's still fun nonetheless. Not shiny. It's fine. Okay, so we're gonna time the first A press. Let's get that one working. Python-m revive fossils. Fossil Drakazult. Yes. Okay, so that's good. That timing is great. Perfect. That actually, I think that one's actually like completely correct. Let's set this one to 2 and see how that is. So we're gonna press B to get out of this menu. Revive fossils. Okay. Okay, so that one's too long. So let's set it to 1.5. Don't be so... I love how she says, don't be so haughty. Like, what if... Where the fuck does she get off? Okay, that's still too long. 1.25. Let's try that. Okay, that's actually pretty good. I feel like this is what we should do for the next one as well. B. Don't act so haughty. Fuck you. Fuck you! Oh, that timing is perfect. Actually, I think the next timing can be that one as well. Okay, so plus B. Don't act so haughty. Fuck you, bitch. Alright, let's try it. Actually, not bad. Actually, not bad. Just joking, now that he's watching over Tofu, he wants to spend more time playing video games. Oh, Tofu is being so cute right now. She's hanging out right there. She's right there, chat. Oh, so wonderful. Maybe I'll... actually, it's so much work to video photo. Sue doesn't hang out with me in the office anymore. He was reverted to laying all day on the couch instead. Oh man, the couch is good though. I don't blame Pseudo. Marsha says, I just picked my first lock. Oh man. That is a hobby and a half. I'm not sure that you want to get into that. Because lock picking is an expensive and complicated hobby. Also of questionable legality in some places. Because first, let me tell you how it started, because I know, because I got into lockpicking. It starts with buying locks and picking them on your own. Like, that's, that's completely fine. But then, you're like, oh, well, it was so easy to pick the locks that I have. What if I try and pick an unknown lock that somebody else owns? And that's where things really spiral. For me, I got into lockpicking in college. And in college, you don't have a lot of money to buy a lot of locks. So you find other people's locks. And you get really good at cracking. Also, if you're inebriated, this stops the inhibition of, oh, maybe I shouldn't crack other people's locks. Yeah, I definitely went through like a rack of bikes and unlocked every single bike. But then, lock them up when I was done. I was at least a good citizen. I didn't steal anything. But yeah, combo locks, not as good as you think they are. I don't drink alcohol like some nerds. Well, some of us have to cope with life, Michaela. Oh shit, this one revived. Oh well. B. Blah, 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 blah. Give me the Dracozolt. Oh man, that one's a really slow one. Not a shiny. Cool. I think I put it in the next one, right? So we can try that again. Dash and revive. Okay, that timing is actually great. The timing is actually kind of perfect. Okay, I think the next one is going to be 1 second. Restoration time. Okay, so that's what we're going to do next. Hey, what's up, Ethan Typing? Speak of the man himself. We were actually just talking about literal tuples in MyPy and how I think it's not possible due to the way the language or the stuff is set up. Look who decided to join. Yeah. Also not shiny. Which is fine. Okay, so the restoration message is the one we're looking to time next. Okay, that's actually good. That's actually perfect. Wow, this might be way fucking easier than I thought it was gonna be. Okay, let's do 3. And then press serial A. Okay, this one should not be watch this one be fucking shiny. Watch it be shiny. The pep doesn't allow literal tuples? Okay, cool. I expected as much. I imagine it only allows true, false, none, integer, string. Float? Does it even allow float? I feel like float literals are kind of wacky. I don't know. I haven't read the PEP in a while. Okay, so let's try the next version of this, which is to wait 3 seconds after the warbling while it revives. I feel like we could still improve on that. Okay, so this is, we need to do longer than this, and I think we can do 0.9 here. Let's try 3.5. Blah blah blah. Take care of the Pokemon. Got the Dracozolt. Literal may be parameterized with literal ints, bytes, and Unicode strings, bools, enum values, and none. Okay, cool. Perfect. So no floats. Good. Fuck floats. Floats suck. Alright, let's try this now. Oh shit! No. I didn't finish the previous menuing. Oh, it's still too quick. Let's try 3.8. That seems like a nice number. Yeah, this is a lot of just like timing tuning. I don't know how interesting this is, but I find it interesting at least. Not shiny. The shiny chance for this is 1 in 4,096, so this one is really tedious. It doesn't get affected by the shiny charm, which, you know, would be nice. I just forget it can be byte strings. Yeah, enums seems weird. I guess enums makes sense. It's a little bit weird. Just pick the other lock too. Nice. Yeah, lock picking's kind of fun. I feel like some of these earlier ones can be slightly faster. Ooh, that one was on the money. That one was so good. 3.8, good guess. Let's try 0.8 again. Or we did 0.9 before. Let's do 0.8. Press some beans. That do could be a little bit slower. I feel like the longer sleeps could easily be 1.1. Okay, we can try that. We can try that. I like how we're min-maxing with like fucking milliseconds here. All right, we'll change this first one and see if it works. And then we'll change the second one, then we'll change the third. We're gonna change one thing at a time. We're not gonna try and change too many things at a time, because there's only so much I can keep in my head. Oh, did I save? Yeah, I saved. Okay, good. Oh, this one is too fast. Too fast. Okay, so let's change that to 1.9. Let's change this to 1.1. Oh, fuck. That's not what I want. We gotta get through this many. Melky! Ow. Did you like that? That was like the biggest pow you could possibly do on the stream. If you say 0.15 seconds 3 times, that's nearly half. That's not how it works, D-Dolls. I guess if you do it 100 times, yes. Which we will be doing this about, 100 times. Or are you talking about like 4,096 times? Idiocy, you've taught me so much about Python, bro. I mean, I just make the videos. You just watch the videos. That's how it goes. The XD game says, wait, this is cheating. This is cheating. This isn't cheating. This is engineering. The number of times you'll be doing this, I could save you an entire day. I mean, it's probably true. Probably not wrong there, D-Dells. BBB, not a shiny. We also need to do a reset thing as well. Alright, let's try Let's try this again. Okay, so we have made sure that we saved over here. We've changed this to 0.9, changed this to 1.1. I think I can keep 2 changes in my head. Okay, alright. The first one good. Ooh, that one was spicy. Just change the clock speed on the Switch. I don't know how that's gonna work. I don't think I can do that. Okay, so this one was good. Let's do another one of these. Watch these ones being 0.9able. Is the mic peaking super loud? Yeah. RTX voice has a little bit of weird buggy stuff. 1.1 changes. When I rewatched your first run, they were just missing the capture time. Can it also detect shinies? Not yet, XD game. Not yet. But we might try and automate that at some point. Okay, so we're gonna change this one to 1.1. We're gonna add another 0.9 here and see how that goes. Hey, what's up, Taku? Hello, hello. Welcome to the stream. Hopefully you're doing well. My partner started playing Stardew Valley and she has to kill bats. Oh no. First thing that popped in my head, which I said is, it's okay, just pretend they're carrying swords. Oh no. They're COVID-19 bats. They were initially set at 1 second, so 1.1 gives just a bit more. Ah, right. You're right. They were initially set to 1 second. That makes sense. Tucker says, drinking and just kind of here. Howdy. Sounds good to me. I mean, that's the life I'm living right now. Just drinking and just kind of here. Okay. All those 1.25s look good. Or 1.1s, so we're going to keep those. Okay, this one can maybe be 0.8. Since we're okay with changing 2 things at once, I think we're gonna do 0.8. I don't know if Fossil is to spare right now, so we're gonna do this and then we're gonna reset afterwards. OCR time? OCR seems like a lot of work. To be clear, I don't think we're gonna get a shiny this stream. In case anyone is sticking around for that. Watch me eat my words and like... would be fucking wild, but... Oh, that last one can actually be a little bit faster. Let's try 0.7. Just exactly that one Python OCR module from C and bam. Yeah. Well, I mean, I would do it from the Python side. But also, like, I would have to hook up my capture card somehow. I don't know how I would stream that. I don't know, it'd be a lot of work. Sarcastic Dante, good to see you. That's a cute emote. Tilka Turks, wait. Yeah. Tilka Turks, thank you for the follow. Welcome to the stream. Hopefully you are doing well. You're seriously thinking about it. That's the problem, Michaela. Or sorry, Marsha. I do think about these things. Oh, I think it can be even faster than 0.6. Let's do 0.7. Let's try 0.6. Tokaturks, thank you for sending the MOTD. Welcome, welcome. Hopefully you were doing just dandy there. Alright, let's try with 0.6. 0.6 seems real fast. I don't think 0.6 is gonna work. I think we're gonna end up with 0.65. 0.6 worked? Holy shit. Alright, let's do Time Not Sleep 2. And try that one. Import OS.write 1 Hello World. Yeah, I mean, that is about how you would do it in assembly. Trying to learn Python? I know a little English. I see. Well, welcome, welcome. I'm doing kind of, I mean, it's Python, but it's also, it's not interesting Python. I don't know that you're gonna learn Python from watching this, but all right, let's see how this one goes. No, not long enough. Let's try 2.5. Not shiny, that's fine. And then we try it again. We're actually almost to the point where we can put it in a loop. Doo-doo-doo, doo-doo-doo-doo-doo. Let's try 2.75. So you just jumped out of my bed. I can tell because it sounds like a large boulder hit my house. What? Are you having a rock slide, D-Delps? Is it bad that when I said rock slide, I was like, that can cause flinch. It has not 100% accuracy. And it's a sprint. I think it's 80 accuracy. Maybe it's 85. Doo-doo-doo-doo-doo. Oh, still too quick. Let's try 2.9. Bedroom is upstairs right above my office. Oh, huh. The pseudo must be Chonk, says Nova Glow. There's photos of pseudo in the Discord if you want to join. Nova Glow. Alright, 2.9. It's still too fast. Let's try 3.1. I like how this is very guess and check. Pseudo's 100 pounds. My house is old and 100 pounds. Oh. Tofu, you are a tiny puppy compared to Sleep Math That Pie. Yeah, I mean, it might work. That would be pretty memey if I put Sleep Math That Pie. Alright, let's see how this one does. It's still too slow. We're pretty close to the part where we can loop it, though. This one is absurdly slow. I didn't realize how long the little thing is. Wow, 3.4 is still too slow. Holy shit. This is ridiculous. He found his ball? Nice, nice, nice. Doescam says it's 4 seconds? I mean, he might be right. We're gonna try 3.6 next, though. And then we'll try 4, just for you, Doescam. 3.8-ish? Try 2.7? We're already at 3, so 2.7 would... Okay. Well, we'll try 4. Well, we'll try 3.8. Do 3.8-ish. We're gonna try that, Dustcam. Dead Sleep System version. I mean, I understood what you meant, Marsha. I understood what you meant. I've got a sufficient amount of Python 2 PTSD to understand what you're putting down there. Wow, so clutch! Hello, hello. Welcome to the stream. Hopefully you're doing well. They were talking about versus the Python. We were. I have like a dumb yoke. Shit. 3.8 is still too much. Okay, we're gonna set it at 4. See what that looks like. Damn. That's crazy, man. It's crazy. Alright, hopefully 4 works. Wow, my monitor just glitched out. Back now, but it was weird for a second. Oh, 4 is right on the money. 4 is like so perfect. Python PTSD? It's true, it's true. Man, I have 2.6 PTSD. Okay, I have no idea what to do for this one, so we're just gonna do time to sleep 1 and see where it comes out. Just gonna see where it comes out. Python 4 win. God, would we want everything to be fucking broken? They should just skip it and go straight to Python 5? Yeah. Oh, it was too fast that time. Okay, so clearly we need more on this one. The switch's timing is very subjected to lag, so unfortunately these are not perfect. Probably end up with Python 4 for sub-interpreters at this point? Maybe. Or like the new CAPI. Although, as far as I can understand, HPy might be able to make a new CAPI without needing to change Python. Okay, so that's too slow. I didn't see how too slow it was, so we're just gonna increment. Well, we'll increment by 4 a second. We're very close though. We've only got one more endpoint to do. Then I guess once we get this done, we can do the other fossil as well. Still too slow. Wait, 1.5. Oh, I have to sneeze. Oh no. Oh my. Quite the sniz. Okay, 1.5. Someone else will know if you try these out and see if this Windows 95 VM actually. Oh no. Yeah, I don't have a voice channel in Discord. We had it for a while, but like no one used it, so I just deleted it. I didn't use it, so I deleted it. We'll put it that way. I satisfied. How's it going? Hello, hello. Good to see you. Yeah, that one's still so close. Okay, that's perfect. That's perfect, perfect, perfect. Okay, we just need to do the sleep at the end. And then let's just do another A here just to see what it would look like for the next cycle. It's kind of garbage. Just because I want to see what it looks like. If you break the CAPI, you kind of need to do at least a minor version bump and be good at the time as any to move to a very different CAPI. That's true, that's true. I feel like have they broken the CAPI in a minor bump? I know they haven't broken the minimal ABI, which is good. Okay, that timing is actually perfect. I think we can actually do this now and run it at a higher count. So let's do 3. Oh shit. Gotta be... Don't act so haughty. Alright, so in theory this should run 3 through. I'm muted because I don't have the right microphone on that scene. So let me put that microphone on that scene. My bad. Can you hear me now? I guess I should put it on all these scenes. Can you hear it on this scene? Yeah. Now can you hear me? Yeah, okay. Can you hear me on this scene? Yeah. Sorry, just going through all these scenes, making sure that you can hear me on all of them. This one too. And this one. Okay, cool. Sorry, fixed. Still can't hear you in that scene? Nine. Oh no. Oh no, sorry about that. What I was saying was the API break in Python 4 or whatever would be painful, but a pain that's hopefully only endured once, and like not a huge deal afterwards. But yeah. Marsha says, so I was reading stuff on my other monitor and then looked over and why is Anthong's mouth moving but no words are coming out? Yeah, because I'm a good streamer. Tofu is passed the fuck out on the floor. It's so cute. Too bad you guys can't see it. Okay, but I think this actually works. Let's do, I don't know, count 10 and see if it goes through 10 properly. And then I think what I wanted to do is bring up the Pokedex menu afterwards. And then have a reset script. Yeah, I think that's good. Okay, so let's watch this run through. Doodle-doodle-doo. Oh, it fucked up. Okay, so the slow sleep is not quite enough on this, so we're gonna bump it up a little bit. That's why we're testing it. Okay, so I bumped it from 4.1 to 4.2. Next MyPat release will finally be the last to support 3.5. It sounds like finally don't have to worry about Curse 3.5.1. Oh my god, fuck 3.5.1. But you still have to worry about Curse 3.6.0 though. 3.6.0 is just as bad as 3.5.1. And 3.6.1. 3.6.1 is also kind of painful, but not as painful as 3.6.0. 3.6.0 is like broken name tuple, broken it didn't have broken union at least, but it had broken name tuple. Which is enough for me to be like, fuck 3.6.0. Oh, it also has broken dictionary. There's like a ref leak in dictionary. I guess, which makes sense. It was the first one with a new ordered dictionary, so. You're right, Oscar Allen. I need to drink some water. Cheers, chat. Just got a recruiter email that had the phrase, "We're like Stripe for enterprise features." What does that even mean? I don't want Stripe for enterprise features. That sounds like a disaster. You only had 3.5.1 support because of Ubuntu. Ubuntu has had 3.5.3 for... Xenal shipped 3.5.3. So I don't think you needed to support 3.5.1. We're like the Uber of stripes. Fuck. Yeah, I don't know why 3.5... I mean... Yeah, I can't think of a distribution that ships 3.5.1. Some Dropbox thing? Well, yeah, that wouldn't surprise me. That wouldn't surprise me. There you go, chat. I drank the whole glass. But yeah, I will make a script after this that does the reset. I'll also have to open up the Pokedex, so we'll make a script for that as well. And we'll stick it at the end of this script. I don't think there's a keyboard shortcut for opening the Pokedex, though. There is one for opening up the map and saving. I don't think there's one for Pokedex. Anytime someone says we're like X for X, I have reservations, yeah, I feel you there. What are you doing with all these Dracozoids? Well, I'm hoping one of them is shiny. But I will soft reset when none of them are shiny. So they will disappear into the digital void. But as soon as I get one that's shiny, I will be releasing them into the wild. aka euthanize them. Okay, so now that's done, I'm gonna write the Pokedex checking script, and then we'll write the reset script. But before that, I have to use the restroom. So I will be right back, and I will see you in a sec. Oh, tofu is so cute. I also filled up my water. I know I gotta show water anytime I fill it up. It's like you can fill up your water. I guess it's mostly for Michaela. Michaela wants to maybe see that them feats there. 360 has timing.type, so it's already leagues better than 351. Yeah, that's true. But yeah, specifically for all of the pain that that the mutability of the typing API created, I made a Flick8 plugin. Flick8 typing imports. Also, my email has logged out, so I don't know what this notification is. But yeah, it has changed in 350, 352, 353, 354 360, 361, 362, 370, and 372. And I think there's actually one other patch version that it changed as well. But yeah, it's been really hard to track, unfortunately. So I wrote a Flickate plugin for this. This will be obsolete soon, though. It's crazy to think that 3.6 will be end of life soon, but them's the breaks. Oh, do I click on this? Do I click on this? God, I hope it's not drama. Oh, no way! This got merged! Oh, yes! For, Deborah just tried to scratch herself, but instead was scratching my bed. Oh my god, it's so funny. Okay, but anyway, I was, improving this Bazel RC syntax highlighter so that I could use it in Babby. So that's what's up here. Did they address my license thing though? They did not. Shit. Well, I was hoping they would do that. I can ignore this. Just mark it as red. Tofu's trying to bite her own tail. Oh my god. Michael Fox, how's it going? Basil. Basil with a happy emote. Interesting. Are you okay, though? Do you need a toy? You want to go get you a toy? She looks so sad now. Michael Fox, how are you doing? Do you want to see the puppy, Michael Fox? I feel like you haven't seen the puppy yet. Oh, now you don't want to hang. I have to come pick you up. I'll come pick you up. Oh, you're good. It's you. Look at this cute little pupper. Look at this cute pupper, Michael Fox. Look at how cute she is. Look at how cute she is. Oh, she's such a sweetie. When she isn't biting me. She's pretty bitey. But Tofu's adorable. They love you, Tofu. Finally some good content. Yeah, that's true. It's true. She sheds like a motherfucker, though. It's ridiculous. I have vacuumed my house 3 times in the last 2 days, and there's still hair fucking everywhere. It's crazy. It's crazy town. Okay, cool. We now have the fossil. Let us try and open the menu now. So what do I need to do? I need to press X. Let's make a separate script for this. And then I'll just vendor it in at the bottom. Actually, what we can do is just comment this out. Okay. I forgot to do set today. Whoops, thanks for the good call there, Mudbox. Automating reviving fossils in Pokemon Sword and Shield with Python C and Arduino. I forgot the commas, so I should put the commas in there. And we're gonna put an Oxford comma because I like Oxford commas. github.com/acetilly/switch microcontroller if you want to check out the code. Ziggy says, is this using that Switch Fight Stick repo, or is this something you came up with? Mine is a fork of that repo. I found that their code didn't really work all that well, so I've changed how it works. I'm using a serial input. Theirs is hard-coded in C, but it is similar in a lot of ways to that repository. But yeah, you can check out my code on GitHub. It is very much based on that Switch Fight Stick program, though. But what I've done is I took the joystick code, and so I still use the same startup sequence that they're using. I still haven't factored this out. I plan to factor this out at some point because it caused a lot of code dupe. But what I'm instead doing is I have a serial input. Where's the serial input? Down here. Yeah, so I have a serial input. I have a verbose mode so I can print out what it's doing. And if it's some non-verbosity character, it goes through an HID task, which decides which button to press based on a bunch of different choices. So the current set of choices are empty state, ABXY, home, plus minus, left and right trigger. I haven't done the ZR or ZL, but I don't need them for Pokemon. And then, even though the direction pad supports, I think, an infinite number of directions, I'm only doing these 8 for now. But yeah. I was playing around with it in late 2019, but couldn't get very far because I'm not very familiar with C. Yeah. So that was kind of my goal, was to like get enough of the C code working that I can just write Python instead. Not to say I'm not good at C, but like I'd rather write Python than C. It was a pain because I remember having to put it in DFU mode every time I need a flashlight chase. Yeah, that was the problem with mine too. So what I did is we put this up on here. What I did is, you can see I put a little button here. This is a reset button, which I can just double tap to put it in DFU mode. Because yeah, I ran into that being painful as well. But yeah, I don't know why Drake plus Bird equals Dracozolt. That's real weird to me as well. But yeah, this is based on the same Switch fight stick stuff. But yeah, it works really well. Basically what I've done is, so I actually have 2 pieces of hardware here, so I'll put it back up here. This one. So I gotta put my arm here for the white balance. It's ridiculous. I'm so white that I trigger the white balance. But yeah, this is the Pro Micro, which is the actual microchip that controls the Switch, and it has a serial connection to a USB to serial device. This is FTDI. I don't know if that means anything, but yeah. So I'm using a serial chaining, daisy chaining a serial device as a USB input to this. The other cool thing, and what I want to do eventually, is replace the serial device with Bluetooth Low Energy, so that I could, write a Android app or an iPhone app that you could macro your Switch using an iPhone app, or like have a full controller. Because I don't know about you, but like, well, I mean, the Pro controller is actually really nice, but the like Joy-Cons, they like really crimp up my hands and like feel awful. And I think I could do better with it. Like I'd rather hold a cell phone and touchscreen, and I don't know. Maybe make that happen. I don't know. We'll see. Yeah, it's weird that Drake plus Bird equals Dracozolt. I don't know how to feel about that. But yeah, it is a thing. Okay, so let's trigger the Pokedex menu. We're gonna assume it's in first slot, so press X. Time to sleep. We're gonna start low and then adjust it. Serial A. So let's try that. Oh, you're on bag. That actually was fine, oddly enough. But let's put it over on this, and then do B. And then we gotta do another A. Time not sleep. Let's say 1.6. Sure. B. That's a Pokemon? Yeah, Dracozolt's fucking whack as shit. So there is like a little bit of history to this. Apparently archaeologists in Britain, in like the 18th or early 19th century, would just like find fossilized parts of things and just like jam them together and be like, we found a new species, and then get a bunch of fucking grant money. But a lot of the things that they jammed together were not the same animal, and so you ended up with these like amalgamations of fossilized things. And so the you know, Sword and Shield are set in Great Britain, and so these fossils are kind of a poke and a jab at that fossil amalgamation bullshit. But yeah, known as the Bone Wars. Oh, I didn't know that, Metabytes. That's cool. But yeah, that's the idea behind that. Okay, that was too quick. So we gotta do that. Also, Metabytes, how you doing? Good to see you again. Let's try 2 seconds for open up the menu. Still too slow. 2.4? Yeah, so this is kind of the maybe not so interesting part of this code, which is like just timing this stuff out. Okay, that looks good. Say 1/4 of a second? I don't know. I'm just eyeballing guessing this. I don't really know all that well what I'm doing here. Be a few times. Be. Ziggy, thank you for the follow. Welcome to the stream. Hopefully you're doing well. Okay. Oh, that's actually perfect. Okay, so, and actually after it opens up, I want to press right once. Because if I press right once, it will open the shiny page, I think. And then that'll make it much easier to check. I won't have to press anything manually. Metabyte says, doing well, trying to get this customization with a K stuff I've been working on deployed. Oh, except there's zero documentation from our platform peeps on how to do it in our CI. Oh no. So you get the Pokemon from that dude? Yes. So I get the Pokemon, and then the Pokedex can tell me whether... because the Pokedex records what shiny sprites you get, so it's the quickest way to check that stuff there. Okay, so we do this. Oh, that wasn't what I wanted. Is it L and R that I need to do for that? Let me find one that I have. Oh shit, that's not what I want to do. No. Where's one that had multiple? Here's one. Is it L and R that does it? No. Is it right and left? No. Oh, S is down. I'm a fucking dumbass. I wanted D. Yeah, it's fucking D. I'm fucking stupid. Alright, let's go up back to Drakezolt again. Dracozolt. Is it Dracovolt? No, it's Dracozolt. Okay. We switched to customize instead of helm charts for doing stuff. Cool. I have a little bit of experience with helm, but not enough to be like, yeah, I know helm. Oh, I forgot to... That is weird. It said it was saved, but it wasn't. Okay, anyway. Okay, cool. I think that's perfect. All right, let's put it all together, and then we'll make a reset script. Let's do count 5. Oh, shit. We gotta exit out first. Bees. Alright, let us do count 5. We can put up the big screen and watch this run. Hey, what's up, Jack at Bandcast? Hello. Welcome to the stream. Hopefully you are doing well. We are automatically reviving Dracozolt at the moment. Why does she say her first name in the third person? Carlise. Must just be a weirdo. I don't really know what's up with that. Oh, there's a little bit of lag there. That was interesting. Seemed like we put enough sleep in to handle the lag though, so that's good, I guess. If I were behind the helm, the ship would get stuck. You gonna block the Suez Canal, Mindful Fox? Are you gonna block the canal? Data binary search minimum amount of sleep. Problem is the minimum is flaky because the switch is really, really bad. The Sword and Shield code is like super unoptimized, so everything is super variable. So you really have to binary search for the maximum time instead of the minimum time. I guess the minimum maximum time. The minimum time that is consistent. There we go. I like this more than Helm so far. If you ever want to check it out, yeah, I've checked it out before. Hey, opens the Pokedex. Now it's shiny. Okay, cool. So that's good. So now we gotta do resetting now, which we've done before. See if I have the code for that. Let me put it in a separate script. That was in this prompty.py file. He is reset. Let's just copy this. Oh, Tofu, why'd you fart? Oh, you damn dog. Tofu's been real stinky. Real stinky. Which is funny because there is a stinky tofu. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Are we about to get a Where's X raid? Is that happening right now? Let's go, Where's X? Well, we'll wait for the raid. We'll wait. If not, welcome, Where's X. It's good to see you. I see your wavy mode is working again, or did you copy and paste it from Google? Maybe you copy and paste it from Google. I've gotten further by running all my manifests in JSONnet. I've heard of JSONnet. I've not tried it myself. There we go. Where's X? Thank you for the raid. Wait. For the raiders, I will show you puppy. I feel like I gotta show you puppy. Yep, you're coming out. Puppy, you don't want to pick you up right now. Tofu, you cutie. Ah. She thinks I'm playing. Oh no. Tofu, come here. Tofu. There we go. Here we go. We got this cutie. I'm taking care of this cutie right now. This is Tofu. This is Juicebox Heroes Paparu. Yeah, look, you're famous. You're famous, Tofu. But yeah, I'm taking care of Tofu right now. I think she's mad because I woke her up from her little sleep. You can go back to bed. Go back to bed if you want to. But welcome to the stream. Thank you for the raid, Where's X. How are you doing today? Let me give a shout out to Where's X. My viewers should check them out. Did you get what were you working on? You were working on getting your bot deployed. Did you get your bot deployed? Today? Phil? What are you doing with Tofu? Leave that alone. She's sniffing my laptop. Hope she doesn't chew my laptop. Tofu. Oh man, she's been a handful, a bit of a handful. But yeah, what we're working on today is automating clicking through the Nintendo Switch using a bit of. Yeah, I know you're mad because I'm talking. Oh, she's licking my feet. Oh no. Marsha is so jelly right now. What do I want to do? This one. D-Delsp! Thank you for the resub with Prime at 4 months. Appreciate your continued support. But yeah, I've got a little microcontroller right here. This is the Pro Micro. That's my little reset switch. These wires are connected to a serial device, which is this guy right here. And that is connected to my computer, and I'm sending serial messages over this wire. And then this USB cable, this one right here, is connected into my switch. And so I'm controlling my switch using code. And that's what we're working on today. And I'm trying to automate reviving fossils. And Tofu is having a little fit time. Puppy? Trying to cheat me. Yeah. But anyway, welcome to the stream, Z-Cloud. Miss Jillary, good to see you. Welcome again. Cootie with a booty. Yeah, exactly. It deployed? Nice. Good job. That's awesome. Potrel says, what is the name of the keypad in the middle? This one here is the BDN9. If you do bang keyboard 3, you can learn more about it. No, stop chewing on my chair. Stop it. Don't you chomp me. Little pupperoo. There you go, keyboard 3 to see my stream deck. Stop it! You can't eat my chair. It is not a toy. Not a toy, Tofu. Stop it. Yeah, quit it. I'll put you in the other room. They can hang out with me. Oh, she's so adorable. Booping the snoot. Yeah, I am booping the snoot so that she'll stop chewing on my chair. She's been so adorable. She's been following me around wherever I go. So I go eat lunch. Yeah, I know, you're mad, I'm talking. This is what you do when I do meetings too at work. Oh my god, there's so much dog hair on my bed. Oh. Her snoot is just out of view. But she's chomping at me. But yeah, she'll follow me around. She's so cute. But yeah. Yeah, Juice is on vacation, so I'm taking care of the puppy for a week. Okay, but yeah, we wanted to run this reset script. This is the old code, so I don't know if it still works, but we're gonna try it anyway. Python reset, and hopefully, well, it clearly works. Definitely 100% works. Press, comma space. Are you gonna come bite my feet now? Is that what you're trying to do? Fuck this one up here. Okay. Alright, let's try that. So that should reset the game. In theory. There is a long delay here because of this network timeout. I'm actually buying a USB Ethernet cable so that timeout will be more consistent. Because sometimes it takes like 2 seconds, sometimes it takes like 20 seconds. How old is Tofu? Like 6 months? I think she just turned 7 months, and she's still a little teethy. Although she has lost all of her baby teeth, as far as I know. So stop licking my chair. Stop it. No, I'm not playing. I'm telling you not to lick my chair. Are you emulating a Joy-Con? No, I'm actually emulating the Pokken tournament pad. This device, which was for the Wii U, but it also happens to work for the Switch. Is she trying to herd your chair? Maybe. I think she just thinks it tastes good, and so she keeps licking it. Yeah, what are you gonna do? What are you gonna do? You can't bend your head back that far. Oh my god, he's losing it. Oh my god, what is wrong, Tofu? Chill, puppy. But yeah, she's hurting. But yeah, this is the device I'm emulating over USB. How do you know what signals that pad sends? So somebody else reverse engineered this device and found the HID setup for it, which is in descriptors. So this is the standard USB descriptors. It turns out it reports the same as a standard joystick. Hey, yeah, don't bite my cables. Oh my god, she's so chompy. But yeah, someone else reverse engineered these things here. And so I just have to hook into the stuff that they did here. This is basically standard HID setup for a controller. And I have a bit of C code, which allows me to send signals from my computer using serial for, I've just set up the particular bytes that I want to handle, and then I have a switch statement down here which sets the standard joystick settings here. What are you digging for under my desk? There's nothing under there, Tofu. She's gonna get stuck under my desk. Goofball. She's like, so my desk is like 4 inches off the ground, and she's got her head stuffed under it right now. Hey, no, don't bite that. No, don't bite that either. Stop it. I'm going to put you away. You don't want to do that. Let me go get you a toy. I'm going to get her a toy. Maybe she'll be a little less of a buck with a toy. Yeah. I'm going to... So I'm going to give her this little squeaky toy. Hopefully she doesn't squeak it too much, but that'll make her a little less bitey, I guess. Whereas X says, I thought there was nothing under my desk until I found my dog om-nom-nomming 5 minutes. I mean, yeah, there might be stuff under my desk. I don't know. It's true. Dino says, that's juiced on the yak cheese Himalayan chews. I don't think so. I don't know. Tofu has figured out a way to destroy like every single one of her toys. Oh, this pressed A one too many times. It should not be in this menu. So I gotta change that reset. I think that reset code is from the last thing that we did, where we wanted to enter into a menu. I'm sorry about that, chat. Anthony, don't forget to... Yeah, right, Michael Fox, for my original code here. So let's actually do B again. And then... Don't act so haughty. Then we're gonna reset one more time. Make sure that works nicely. When they get small enough, you can soak them in water and microwave them, and it's a crunchy treat. Oh. Huh. Interesting. Tofu's current favorite treat is dick. There's like this petrified bull penis something or another, and it is her favorite thing. She will munch on that for hours at a time. So it's her favorite treat. Albino Vulcan says, that's my favorite treat too. Oh man. Is there a Pokemon based on that by now? There is not, fortunately. Okay. Let's set this to, I don't know, 30 and see whether this plays through nicely. And we can all shitpost in chat while that happens. So hopefully this is consistent. Yeah, you broke that one so it doesn't squeak anymore. What's up with that, Tofu? There's a little bulb in there that she can chomp on, but it doesn't squeak anymore because she broke it. But yeah, hopefully this is working well. Are those Diglett statues? Oh, in the game? It does look like that is a Diglett statue. Huh. Interesting. Yeah, the best part of about this reset, like this code that I put here, is I can basically just press play and then walk away for like, I don't know, 5 or 10 minutes and come back and have it be done. And then just check, just like look at the screen and press reset if it's not shiny. So I'm basically trying to minimize the amount of button presses that I have to do here. Yeah, Yeah? Are you gonna get it, Tofu? Are you gonna get it? Yeah, there you go. Are you gonna have this run all day tomorrow? I mean, yeah, essentially. Um, the weird thing though is, for some reason, it doesn't seem to work on my laptop. I haven't figured out why yet. Like the USB device is identified. The code runs and the serial port connects, but for some reason it doesn't work. It's like literally the same setup as this machine, but for some reason it doesn't work. So I don't know what's up with that. How high can Tofu jump? Not very high. She's got little stubby legs. She's got little T-Rex legs. Or like T-Rex arms, but for legs. She can't jump very high. Maybe I shouldn't have given her the squeaky toy. She has another one that's not squeaky, but this looks like it's pretty consistent so far, so that's pretty good. I guess we could implement some of the other fossils as well. Yeah. Yeah, it makes a good noise, doesn't it, Tofu? We can implement some of the other fossils, assuming this is consistent and works well. I do need to figure out like which A press it is that we get to. DL says, "Oh, the ball just went into the basement, gone forever." Oh no! Do you have an unfinished basement that's just kind of like a big storage rack? Because I know that feel. Or is your dog afraid of stairs? Because I also know that feel too. One of the dogs we had, Buddy, was afraid of stairs. So he doesn't like to go downstairs. Yeah, Buddy was completely afraid of stairs, and I don't know why. Like, it doesn't really make sense, but because he would go up and down stairs outside, just not inside. He's fine going upstairs, but the basement is a no-no. I mean, honestly, the first house that I lived at, the basement was pretty spooky. I was definitely afraid of going down in the basement before it got finished. Once it was finished, it was like not a big deal. Pseudo go downstairs, the incident will be reported. Pork pork. Yeah, exactly, right? Exactly. Hey, Plasma Orbs, how's it going? Hello, hello. So for a description of what we're doing today, I am not pressing any keys on my Switch controller. It is playing the game for me. By pressing a bunch of buttons, you can kind of see the log of what it's doing over here. Of course, in this one, it's less interesting because it's just pressing A over and over and over. But we may make it more interesting where it presses other keys and stuff. But yeah, the original stove. Thank you for the follow. Welcome to the stream. Oh, I missed Z Clown. Thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. That's what I get for not putting my headphones on, so sorry about that. But welcome to the stream. It's good to have you. We struggled with upstairs as well. Oh no. Why is it making me verify login for this? It's making me password authenticate. What the fuck? Am I being phished? No, this is accounts.google.com. Hold on. Let me make sure I'm not getting phished. Okay, so we're not getting phished. Copy, paste to password, login. Why does it make me log in for this? Okay, so now I can click on your link. Because now that I'm logged in. Oh, did I just click buy it now? Oh, oh, there's a video. This isn't too loud for chat. Oh my god. Spooky stairs. Wait, you want sound? Oh my god. Oh my god, such a big baby. Oh my goodness. Oh. Oh my god, this poor puppy. See, it wasn't so bad, Pseudo. Oh my god, that's hilarious. That's so funny. How does the code go clicky on the buttons? So if you do bang today, there is an explanation, or there's like a little diagram in the GitHub for this project. But basically, right here is a microcontroller, which is hooked up to this device right here, which is a USB to serial device. Are you digging my carpet? So my Python script here is writing to the serial device. The serial device is talking to the microcontroller, and then the microcontroller is hooked into USB on my Switch. So that's how all of that hooks together. It's worse than fishing at W3 schools? Yeah, it's true, it's true. Is this just an auto-clicker for now? Yeah, for now it's just an auto-clicker. Hey, stop digging. Stop it. Can't dig in the carpet. Yeah, it's just an auto-clicker for now. However, I do want to maybe do some stuff with, you know, screen scraping and... Stop! Stop digging! Stop it! Yeah, stop digging in the carpet. I want to do some screen scraping and then truly automate this. And for now, it's like auto. It's like a, you know, semi-automatic kind of deal, where I will interact with it once every several minutes instead of once every several seconds, to make some of the manual work go away. Hours of work writing C, immediately choosing all these button clicky times. All I can do is press A. Yeah, worth it. Exactly. 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 Miss Julie says, how do you get to know about other options when you have to make random choice to complete /win the game? Yeah, so this is an entirely deterministic route. Later... Stop digging! I'm gonna have to take your toy away. I can't have you ripping up my carpet. Silly puppy. Silly puppy. Oh, strong puppy. He blazes up and down those stairs now. He has no benefit of going to the basement, though, unless he drops his ball down the stairs. That's why basement is a no-no. Ah, that makes sense. That makes sense. Pseudo is in version 3.5. Oh my goodness. Oh, I stole the toy, Tofu! Boop the snoot! Boop the snoot! Oh, okay. You won that time. You won that time, Tofu. Does it give you puppy dog eyes when something rolls into the basement? I mean, I totally would, because, man, going to the basement's spooky. Puppies have infinite energy. Seriously! You went on a big long walk today, and you're still a big fucking ball of energy, Tofu. What's up with that? You're an adorable puppy, Anthbong. It's been consistent so far, so I'm pretty happy with this. Oh my god, we've been streaming for like 2.5 hours. I thought this was gonna take much less time than this. Whoops. Whoops. Oh, this is the end. Okay, cool. So we can see that that was not shiny. So then I would run reset and start over. Cool. Okay, I think this actually works pretty well. Yeah, Tofu, I know. Maybe I'll take her for another walk. A nice little nighttime walk. So that she chills the fuck out. I'm so sorry, chat. But yeah, I think actually, assuming this goes well, I think we're probably gonna end here, because, I don't know, this works. Good enough, I guess. Cool. Does she hate the construction? Oh my god, she hates the construction. I mostly take her on a walk so that she's too tired to bark at it, because otherwise she'll just bark at the construction all day. Oh, big moving vehicle. Bork, bork, bork. Oh, weird rumbly noise. Bork, bork, bork. Tofu being all adorable. Anthonic, sorry for the annoying dog. I mean, yeah. Okay, well, let me give you one more shot of tofu, and then we'll wrap up the stream for today. Hey, hey, crazy. Okay, no bites, no bites. No, I'm trying to pick you up. Nice, nice, nice. Here's one more tofu shot for all of you. Boop snoot. Yeah, we can boop the snoot. Ah, no. Boop the snoot. Boop the snoot. She doesn't want to have the boop snoot. But yeah, thank you all for stopping by. Let me go do my little spiel. But here's tofu one more time. Um, but yeah, let me do my spiel. My name is Anthony. I upload my previous content to YouTube, and that is youtube.com/AnthonyWritesCode, where you can check out daily educational videos, assuming that I have time to record, as well as previous streams, so check those out. I normally stream on Monday evenings and Saturday at noon Pacific, but sometimes I do, weird streams in the middle, like today's stream. And I announce those on Twitter, and that is twitter.com/codewithanthony, where I say, oh, do we stream in such amount of time? And then it happens. I also announced these on the Discord. Please join the Discord. It's a cool little group of people where you can hang out and meme and do whatever you want. But there's also a beginners channel where if you want to ask questions, there's a lot of smart people there that can answer you and help you out with whatever you're working on, which is cool as well. Yeah, Tofu's still teething, unfortunately. I hope she grows out of it at some point, but it's slowed down a little bit. But yeah, she's still pretty bitey. I think she doesn't quite understand the difference between like playing and fighting, but I don't know. Hopefully she figures out at some point. But anyway, thank you all for stopping by. Let's go find someone to raid.